lunch, gonna start eating, drinking, or smoking, and we have small children without supervising. But really, the most important thing to me is just remain seated until we come to Puka. Please stop. I give the all clear to disembark the hot rod. You ready?
Yeah.
Don't forget, smile and wave. That's the job. Famous people on a red car. Good morning. Hey, I didn't see anybody say cheese. You're supposed to say cheese. Good morning. I see you all shop at the same store. That's pretty good. Hope they got a discount. He's a very good photographer, but make sure he takes the lens cap off. Okay? I do forget. Good morning. Famous people in a red car. Alrighty, my friends, don't forget that little secret reminder about remain seated till we come to Puka. Please stop, but I give it all clear to disembark this hot rod. Good morning. Thank you, thank you. Good morning. All right, famous people. This is the famous spot.